Hello guys, I want to share this video regarding Frigidaire gallery repair. So basically what I did, my fridge wasn't working, but the freezer is working. So I'm gonna share this information with you if it's gonna help you in the future for fixing your fridge. That makes your life easy. Please, all you do, just subscribe to my channel and help me grow up this channel. Thank you for that. Let's start in. So basically we're gonna start with the first thing you're gonna take is the front door. I'll show you the two screws you're gonna take from the door. Okay, so this is the door. Basically you're gonna come here, you're gonna take one screw from here, the top one from the bottom, from this side and the other side. Make sure you hold the door from the handle so it doesn't fall on your foot. That's the first step you're gonna start with. Then when you come in, I didn't empty the shelf, but I take the whole food from inside that railing. It comes out by itself. Don't waste a lot of time for taking the food. Once you take your food from that casing shelf that you have all the food inside the freezer, once you take that out, you're gonna come here. You're gonna go to the railing. You're gonna take this screw from here. It's visible. You see the screw? It's right in there. Show you guys. You see, that's the screw. You're just gonna unscrew it, and then I'll show you the rest of the step. And you take one from that corner, one from this corner, and you pull these things out. It's gonna come easy. Okay, the screw I showed you on the railing is actually goes here. And you have another 3 screws. Don't take them. This one, it just slides in and slides out. One screw you're gonna take. This is the bottom shelf I'm talking about. The top shelves, you don't need to lose any screws, anything. All you do, you see how this latch goes up? You pull this one, and when you come to this side here, this one will go down. So one goes up, one goes down. This is the top shelf. Railing, top shelf, railing, easy. No screws adjust, no screws taken. The bottom shelf, you take only one screw and you pull the whole railing. Then you're gonna get one flap in here, just up a little bit by a 1/4 inch, and then pull it. It's gonna come out with no screws. That one, it's plastic. But the one that goes on the fan here, you have one screw right here and you have one in here. And you have 2 screws on this side, but these 2 screws, this belongs to the fan. Okay, the fan housing goes like this. You see, guys, this is the fan housing. Okay, so that's how it goes. This is the coil. So let's talk right now about troubleshooting. Once you take the door, you take everything and you unplug everything. Make sure you unplug your fridge before you start in it, because this is not something safe for you to work in, but make sure you know what to do. Here, 2 things you're gonna do. 2 things you can troubleshoot. Okay, so you're gonna come, this is a thermostat and this is the fan. So once you open this, okay, and you have your fan still hooked up on the top, and you take just the bottom one and you will see the coil, but the fan will be still there. So plug your fridge on. If the fan is running, that means thermostat has a problem. If the fan is not running, I mean the fan has a problem. Okay, so that's how it works. I'll show you the fan. Where is it? So this is the fan here. Okay, I checked it and I tested actually with 9 volt and 12 volt. So basically when you take this fan and you want to test it and you want to try to troubleshoot if it's working or no, what you're gonna do, you got here, look, you got 4 wires. You got red, yellow, and you got blue, and you got brown. So basically the red is the hot wire, which is positive. Negative is the brown one, common wire. Some of them have white, some of them has brown color. So this fan will cost you $175 buying it from a store, or you can buy it from Amazon for $135 or $130. There is aftermarket one, cost you $40 to $45, $80, depends what brand of the fridge you have. So this one, it costs $135 on Amazon, $175 outside the market, and it's gonna cost, there is aftermarket, $32. So I'll buy that $32 and try it. Okay, so the number is right here, UDQT and 36EL3. That's the model number. And the follow numbers, it's 241509 402. So that's the fan. This is the voltage, and this is the amp, and you have Nanco. So that's most of the fan comes with the same information you have, and you buy it from Amazon. Match that, please. So when we finish fixing, taking all that stuff, and we know the trouble is with the fan, so I'm gonna buy a fan and fix or replace it back, and then everything will comes on. Because after that, what happens if it's not the fan working, and it's not the thermostat, so the motherboard will have something. But the motherboard, if it has some problem, the freezer will not work. It will stay off. You're gonna see melting. You're gonna see water on your floor if the compressor has that. But if the freezer working and the fridge is not working, so problem with the fan. What does the fan? I'll tell you the goals of the fan. The fan, actually, when the condenser it's full of ice and stuff, that means the fan is not working. But if it's working, the fan, then that air, it's not stays here and it does not become ice. So that air, it goes from here and it goes up to this hole and it comes inside here. I'll show you guys here. You see? Give you details, and it comes here, that, and it comes from this corner here, or from this side. So that's where the fridge works. That's how it works. And the fan goal is kicking that air and making. So that thermostat, when the ice builds up here, it gives connection to the fan to start the fan so the ice does not build up. So that's the goal. It's very simple troubleshooting, very simple thing. Don't try to pay like people for $500, $600. All you do, just help me out, raise this channel, and this will work. Takes you like 3 hours, 2 hours, but make sure just empty your fridge and make sure get prepared if the fridge like me today, so I can't order the fan. I have to wait until tomorrow. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna use the fan. I'm just gonna put this stuff like minor stuff, and then I'll run my freezer until tomorrow, and then that's it. I know the fridge is not going to work. So please help me out with this channel and subscribe, and thank you so much if you find this video is helping out. So however, how we told you again, let's repeat again, the fan, how to troubleshoot the fan, red and brown. Okay, you put two here, positive, negative, put small tape in here. If it spins, that means the fan is spinning. So check for that thermostat if it's not working. Then if that thermostat working, obviously it's gonna tell you that the freezer is not working, but everything it will be off automatically. Because if low freon is you're gonna see water, but I don't see that. I don't see things. All I have is just the fridge. So it's basic troubleshooting. Save money for yourself and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Frigidaire gallery.